Welcome to today's video. Today we have a patient who has been a long-time patient. It's not a long video, but he's in his 90s, and this man is out playing golf and still running his family business and doing all kinds of things. So I hadn't seen him in a while. We were a little bit worried because we hadn't seen him in a while. But you know what? I've got the best patients. So it's just typical nail cutting, but I hope that you enjoy our video today.
The Ray-Bans are still a top shelf.
Oh, definitely. They are. They are. So these have been fun to work with, and rather than putting them over my existing glasses, I'm going to just have the lenses changed to make it my prescription.
Oh, that would be nice.
So I don't have to have two pair of glasses on while I'm doing this, but I just wanted to make sure I'm going to keep them.
Everything doesn't always fit everybody. You gotta wait till it fits.
Way to make sure that this is going to work, yeah. Okay.
This is what you were expecting. Did you go anywhere this winter?
You know, I did. I was in Norway and Sweden.
Oh, wow. Enjoyed it?
Loved it. In fact,
Yes, Lisa. No, I'm having my toenails clipped as we speak. Huh? No, I'm here by myself. I'm fine. Yep. Where are you at? Are you out in a job now? Okay. All right. Well, I'll see you when you get back in. Okay? Yep, bye. Left it on the back shelf.
well, for not having been here for a year, they're looking not too bad. Now you got a little blood blister right here, and I just want to make sure there's no open sore underneath it.
I'll tell you how that comes into play.
Please do.
Is this leg here is not very workable. So that's why I got that shoe that's got that on there, because when I step, instead of your toes curling up, them turn down. So I have to be very careful so I don't trip. And that's how I got the blood blister on there. It don't happen while I got that on there. It happens when I don't have it on.
Right.
I know you got a patient out there, an older gentleman that's really kind of bad off, and I think it's his granddaughter that's taking care of him, and she does such a marvelous job. It's wonderful the way she takes care of him.
That's nice to hear.
Yeah, and if you see him, you can tell her that I'm very proud of her.
I will tell her. Actually, you may have already just told her because these walls are quite thin.
Oh, okay.
So she may have heard that.
Well, she needs to be commended, I can tell you that.
That's awesome.
That toe looks all right underneath that little red blister?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, everything looks really good.
You've done a great job for years on me.
Oh, thank you.
I don't know, I must be going here, what, 8, 10 years?
Probably more.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we did notice when you hadn't been in. We did notice when you hadn't been in.
Yeah.
That's why we asked your daughter when she was here. We get nervous when our patients go away for for long periods of time. All right, so let me get your socks on and I'll let you do your shoes and the brace.
Can you maybe have her come in and put my shoes in that on too?
I certainly can.
I have one, I'm not very mobile anymore.
Okay.
I just turned 90 years old
Well, happy birthday.
a week or so ago, yeah.
How does that feel?
It feels like I should get another 10 anyway.
I have no doubt with you. Okay.
Oh, wait, the tongue.
I'm not all that skilled at putting braces on, but okay.
Sorry about all the problems.
You're fine. Okay, that should get you going.
Okay?
Go ahead and just stand up and let me make sure I got that on correctly.
Oh.
Okay, the Velcro probably needs to be replaced.
Yeah, sometimes it does snap off.
Yeah, you would take this back to the place you got it and let them replace the Velcro.
Okay.